Arrived on floor 8. Travel took 35.6 seconds.
Copy that.
Temperature 28.7 degrees.
5 degrees above average, but it's a hot day outside. You're okay.
This is the sound of machines talking to one another, intelligently. Machine conversations happening right now, live, around the world. Elevators talking with our intelligent cloud. And we listen together with IBM Watson IoT. When we listen, we can predict what will happen and tailor the perfect intelligent maintenance to each individual elevator. And now you can listen too.
Floor 26. Landed 12 millimeters high.
That's unusual for you.
Going up. Little noise. Slight vibration after start.
Got it. We'll schedule a maintenance technician to visit you.
To hear machines talk, visit machineconversations.kone.com.